Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
Fine, and you?
Thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm testing LM324N quad op amp.
Can you explain more about LM?
LM324N.
LM324N?
Yes, good. Yes, of course. I will explain you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is a LM324N that we can use for comparing to voltage. I want to explain about this op amp. This is op amp. This is pin number 3, number 2, pin number 4, and pin number 11, and also output. We can use op amp for comparing to voltage. For example, if the voltage of the pin number 3 greater than the voltage of pin number 2, the output of the op amp will jump to the positive rail of the op amp power supply. In this case, the output of the op amp is less than 3 volts. Because of the op amp are not perfect, it will be slightly less than 3 volts. If the voltage of pin number 3 less than the voltage of pin number 2, the output of the op amp will go down to the negative rail of the op amps. For example, 1 volt for pin number 3 and 6 volt for pin number 2. In this case, output will 0 volt because pin number 11 is 0 volt. We should connect pin number 4 to, for example, 5 volt, and you shouldn't use less than 3 volts for pin number 4, and I connect pin number 11 to G and D, and for pin number 2 I use 1 volt, and pin number 3 2 volts. And I will show the output of the op amp on breadboard. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I think this battery has 1 volt, yes, near 1 volt. And this battery has, I think, 2 or yes. And we have near 6 volt. Okay, let's start. That's amazing components. Yoo-hoo!
Ooh.
I connect 2 volts to pin number 2. Okay?
Okay.
Negative to pin number 11. And 1 volt for pin number 2. Again, pin number 11. And 6 or 5 volt for pin number 3. Okay?
Okay.
Good. And for output, I use pin number 1. Okay. You see,
Yes, great.
the output of the op-amp is less than 5.7.
Thank you for your project. It's very interesting.
You're welcome, thank you.
You're welcome to.
Do you like electronic and robotics?
Of course.
Good. You can subscribe to Technopicnic channel.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later.